fix your CEX bot. A lot of people been complaining and asking me questions on how they are going to fix their CEX bot. Their CEX bot just stops working like that. So let's see what the problem is. You see, if you press start, the bot will not open. It will stay like this no matter what you do. Even if you're on or off your internet, no matter what you do, it will keep staying like this. You see. So what you are going to do is just look up at the right corner. At the right hand side up, you see three dots. You touch them. If you touch them, you see these three things. The second one is reload page. Then you press the reload page. If you press reload page, it is going to reload and you are going to see your application. You are going to see it will open successfully. You see it's now working. So even if it didn't work this way, then what you are going to do is you have to go and update your Telegram. All right, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe ASAP. I will keep updating you with stuff like this, with enough information for you to keep grinding on your mining apps. Thank you.